Hi everyone. Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
I am back.
I am back.
I am back.
I am back.
Another video. Another video. Another vlog.
Back with another video.
Another video.
With another video. This video is going to be basically my routine with my little baby Koda. Yeah, right now it is 7:53 and this is my second walk for him. I took my first walk, as you guys saw, but that was at like 5:10 in the morning. Now this is his second walk. He peed and pooped the first walk. Now I believe he just peed this walk, but yeah, that is what we are doing. That is what I am doing. And so yeah. Okay guys, it is his feeding time. So don't bite that. No. Don't bite it. So he's spoiled because I decided to make him all natural food. So this one, it smells like dog food. This one has chicken, rice, carrots, some carrots, some spinach, pumpkin puree, and eggs. And this is what I'm gonna feed him. So usually I heat it up so it's a little warm. So I'm gonna put your hands over here so you can see his tricks. Okay. So usually I'll grab his bowl and switch out his water. I take his food and usually I dropped a little bit, but I'm sure he'll eat it. I mix it, put it in there. Oh, I need to put his probiotics in there. Hold on. So these are his probiotics. I got you. I got you. Hey, no. Come here. Sit. Stay. 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 Good boy. You guys can watch my dog eat. More. Let's give you your gummy. Koda, come. Come. Koda, come. Good morning. Oh, you're making it. You're good. That's right. I like it. So I'm outside again. It's 8:16. Koda just finished eating. Now I'm taking him outside so that he can do something. Usually he pees after eating, so hopefully he at least does that. Don't drink it, don't drink it, don't drink it. I brought some of his toys outside with me so that maybe if he wants to play, he can. He's been very energetic this morning, but I mean, like, he is growing, so that is bound to happen. So I want to take him out and play with him, and not that leaf. No, wait, stay. Not the leaf. Hold on. Go get it. He like nipped me just now trying to get the ball. Damn, that kind of hurts, Loki. Because it's in the webbed area of my skin. That sucks. Or it's not, but it kind of is. He has sharp teeth though. Stop. We are here again at 10:36, taking Koda outside once again. He slept. Then my mom took him outside because I was sleeping, and then he ate a little bit of food. And then after that, after he ended up eating, we were just playing for a little bit, and now he's outside. So yeah. But wow, okay. He's pooed. And I need to get a bag from somewhere. No. Hold on. Because I wasn't preparing for that. He pooed earlier. Come here. Come here. So, give me a second while I get a bag. Good thing the community has like these bags. Okay. Wait. Why are you gonna be in my way? You okay? Right here. Go. That was pretty much me and Koda's morning. Where is he? He's somewhere over there sleeping. Oh, he's right here. But that's practically our morning routine, or our morning today. I would like to take him outside today at some point, but if I do, I will show you that. If I don't, I would just end up making an outro or something. But yeah, just stay tuned to see what's gonna happen. So me and the fam are gonna go to the gym. And usually when we go to the gym and have the dog here, since he's not yet like fully potty trained, he can't hold his bladder, he's a baby. I usually set him up in the bathroom since there's very little space for him to go pee, and I just put like a good 3 pee pads down. Here, let me show you guys my process. It is 2:18. I am back from the gym and I am taking Koda outside. I immediately take him outside. I do not wait. Like, I just get in the house, I go grab him, and then I go and have him go pee because he's probably been holding it, and he usually does pee like immediately too. So, but yeah, we're just out here outside, just living life. Oh. Hi everybody, it's Delilah. It is 5:10 in the morning the next day. I'm taking Koda on his little walk. I hope you guys like this video of my little routines, kind of, with Koda. If you guys liked, please like the video. Please subscribe to the video. That would mean a lot. If you guys want to check out any of my Instagrams, you guys can. There'll be one right here, one right here. It'll be my gym and my personal, so please check that. Yeah, please stay tuned for more videos to come. I plan on filming a lot more with Koda. But yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Bye.